Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for showing love to the earlier floral arrangements video. So as per requested by a lot of you, we're going to be doing some coffee table decor today, keeping in mind the Diwali season, and we're going to be creating some very simple vignettes today along with it. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So we're going to be starting with this very rustic looking decor for the table, and I'm using very muted colors. I think it's perfect for a daytime. What's amazing about this look is that these objects are very easily available on Amazon. In fact, you might just find them lying around in the house. I'm using a plain old wicker basket over here, a floor lamp, and just a very plain glassware that I have, which I'm going to be filling up with water. Something that you want to keep in mind while creating any vignette is a rule of three. Now, a rule of three might apply to objects. I'm using it for the number of colors that I'm playing around with over here. I'm just using beige as a base, and there's a little hint of brown and green which I will be accentuating later. You'll just see in a bit. And I think a little water element goes a long way in creating any decor. Next, we're going to be creating this beautiful antique silver looking decor. This is my absolute favorite, and since all of us are gearing up towards getting the house ready for Diwali, I think this is the best decor that we can put up over there. I know gold is the accent color in Diwali, but there's something really beautiful about silver over here. And you will see that I'm sticking to the rule of three again. What I'm doing over here in terms of the color scheme is that I'm keeping it very monochromatic. This is an old antique silver tea set that I borrowed from my mom for this video, and I have some these beautiful mesh pearl wire things which can be just made into any shape, and I'm using that because I do have a white colored sofa to reflect it on. A handy tip here is that when you have a large table, you might want to arrange the vignette in a X pattern, or arrange it in a triangle and spread it out from there. So that is what I'm going to be doing over here, and this is great for an evening and the Diwali nights that you will have, and you'll have guests, and it just looks spectacular. So the final decor that we're going to be doing is for a small table, because not everyone has a big coffee table. In fact, I have this really small rectangular thing in one of the corners of the house, and I always struggle on with how to decorate it. But one of the things that I have learned is that grid patterned layouts work really well for rectangular tables, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing over here. So I'm going to be layering this table with these coasters that I have. These are so old and they're so beautiful, I don't want to throw them away, but these are really old. And I'm gonna put these candle holders over it. These are glass candle holders, and for an added touch of color, I'm popping in these glass beaded things that I have. Actually, my daughter has this in her artwork, but I'm going to be using this for it anyway. You can actually just leave this just the way it is and add some tea lights to it, but I have these dried herbed flowers over here. I don't know what these are, but they look great and they smell great, and they will stay for a really long time. So this is my favorite too, because it's so easy to do and everything was so easily available in the house, and it gives such a fresh pop of colors in the house. So yeah, this is it. One of the things that I have learned over a period of years is that adding elements of nature to any decor is going to bring the whole room to life. So light up some candles and add some greens, and you'll never go wrong with your vignettes. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you do recreate any of these vignettes, please do share the pictures with me. I'd love to see them. Also, if you haven't still seen the floral arrangements video, make sure to catch that too. And happy holidays, guys. Do follow me on Instagram and subscribe and like the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you very soon.